at that.
God damn, extendo penis. All right.
Oh.
Those the diddlers.
Shit. Nah, but yeah. I have a case you can put on it.
I bet.
Just protect the words we're not using.
Alright, what up, Jis? We installing a fucking ZL1 MPP. Is this MPP, right?
Yeah.
A ZL1 MPP axle back on the, you know, the oh, I can't be showing that sticker no more, bro.
Oh, you can for now.
For now? Oh, tight shit. Well, I'm not gonna upload this shit till next week. But yeah, we got the fucking MPP exhaust. We're about to throw it on the fucking SS. Loud ass. Oh my god. So big.
Yo, look at the stock one. It's actually crazy.
We better see the dirty engine, but you better see what's like underneath the hood.
Yeah, I had a jet.
Oh, I have not shown y'all this car at all. I forgot. Yeah, it's a little dirty, you know. It's not the best way to show y'all, but it's my boy Eddie, his 1SS. Of course, you'll see why. The fucking rotofab, the MSD intake,
2-inch headers.
Oh my god, it's full bolt on without the E85.
Without the E85.
Yeah, once you go E85, you're cooking it.
Pushing 300 horsepower to the
Close?
Close?
You got the oil filter too, the separator or some shit.
We have to go to AutoZone.
For what?
I'm gonna have to change my oil.
Are you gonna change it out?
I want to get the exhaust done first.
Yeah.
If we can fit in the oil change, it's fine as long as that's happening.
Yeah. Alright then. Well, we gonna get this shit done. Hopefully pretty fast. Shouldn't be too hard.
It shouldn't be
Technically.
It sucks.
Oh, cause you have to like pull it out, huh?
I've done it once when I did header door.
You're fucking
Dude,
crazy,
it was
bro.
so loud.
I bet it was, bro.
Dude, I love it, but it's a 6.2.
Oh God, I bet, bro. Don't make me go header dunk on my car.
I won't make you do it. We're gonna start with the header door.
Fuck it. But I'll get back to you. Oh my God, my hair is still cooked from being wet, bro. Yo. Alright, so bro forgot the tools, so now we're using hand ratchets. Go ahead. Got the fucking oh, I forgot the auto.
Look, that's right though. Con huevos, güey.
Con huevos. Chill.
Here goes.
God damn! Yo! Fuck!
I'm gonna give people what they want, rap.
Oh, fuck! Alright, we on TikTok live, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, he opened this shit up. What's up, Scott? What's up, Heinz? Yo, I'm about to fucking... Fuck! God damn!
Doing dead ass? We should keep it like that. Low key.
Fuck
I'm
it.
just fucking with you.
We got the... Fuck that shit, bro. We don't even need to put that shit on for real. Yeah, this shit's fucking loud as hell. I'm gonna
We'll say pause.
Hey yo, we gonna install this shit now. So actually, it should work. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, it might be too short.
I don't know. Cause then again, these
Actually,
things can
hold
move
on.
too.
Yeah, hold on. It might be perfect in there, cause these poke out a little bit, right?
Oh yeah, they poke
Yeah.
out quite a bit.
Yeah, so this should be like perfect flush with that shit. Might not be as aggressive, but it'll fit. Hopefully.
What camera?
Alright, after fucking struggling for a minute, bro, you got that shit on. Dirty hands. He on TikTok live, so.
Yep, that's it.
Oh, we gonna tighten. We need to tighten that shit up a little.
Yeah.
Is it even worth tightening up?
Yeah. I just snug it. I just want to snug it.
Yeah.
Cause I don't even know how much is actually in there. I mean, I know there's a good chunk. I just don't know how much.
No.
Cause look, for this one, you know for a fact.
Yeah, bro.
That's a shit ton in there.
Tough my foot, bro.
We're good then.
Now we're just tying this shit up. We'll start it up. clean up, and then yeah. Oh, all right. Yeah.
That's why. Cut that out. Cut that out.
No, it's staying in here, bro. It's staying in here.
That's why.
I'm fucking. I don't even know how to time lapse, but I'm gonna time lapse this out. The first time.
All right, here we go. First startup on the new exhaust.
I like it. That sounds tame.
That's tame, but I like it, bro.
That's valid.
Doesn't sound like a straight. It doesn't rasp. That's what I
Yeah.
hate the most.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Thanks, bro. I'm gonna get another rev in it, see what it looks like.
Alright. We're going with both cameras. Yo, that's valid as fuck. Yo, that's actually nice as fuck.
Pretty fucking good.
It has like the little pops too.
Yeah.
Yo, your fucking muffler didn't have that. Yo.
That's not bad. That was actually.
Yo, I actually fuck with that a lot.
Low key, I gotta pay this man now. We went through some shit together.
Yo, low key. That sounds good as fuck, yo.
Yeah.
I mean, the car's flicked up, you know? Got the fucking 1LE posted up for with the 1SS,
With this bigger brother.
the bigger brother, the newer
Technically,
version.
you're the bigger brother. You're the first one.
Yeah,
I'm the little brother.
little bro.
So,
Damn, they look good together, bro.
they look good. That black and white.
I've never had a fucking Camaro next to my Camaro.
Never?
No, bro.
That's crazy.
Not even the V6s.
Yeah.
Dude, I was like, did you get rid of yours?
No.
That's his.
That's mine, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got. It's not. I like. It sounds really good.
What kind?
It's a Jeep Compared.
Oh shit.
Should
Oh
hear
yeah,
it.
I've seen it.
You
It
should
was-
hear it.
the
That
white
shit's
one.
loud.
It makes 600.
Damn. Yeah, and the car's gonna be down for a bit. You don't got that sketty patty no more.
Have that piece of garbage though. That's a stupid Ford.
Oh
Piece of trash.
god. Damn. Dude, I don't know what color, what front end I like more.
I don't know.
I like my front end more, I think. And then, but when it comes to the rear, I like yours a lot way more.
Why? Because you used to seeing it.
All right. No, I don't know. Just like, it's more sleek.
It is sleek.
Let me
Yours
close.
is wider though. That's
Yeah.
what I wanted on the 6 gens. Wides.
This fucking water. Alright. I compared. Bro, I just don't like that big ass black shit on mine.
The diffuser.
Yeah, I hate that, bro.
Low key, just get it painted gloss black. Make it pop out.
I think I'm gonna get one of those, like the ones you have.
Subtle one, yeah.
Yeah, and then just have it. I don't know if I want a gloss black or matte black to match.
You know what you can low key do though?
What?
You see how that line right there?
Yeah, I was
Paint
gonna.
match and then just have that gloss black on.
Low key. I'd have to see like how people have it then.
For sure.
That shit would probably look good actually. You low key cooking, Unc?
Low key.
Low key cooking, Unc? But yeah, let me show you how to fucking record this shit on the phone. Alright, well, we finished installing it. He's heading out. I'm heading out. That's gonna be the end of this video. I'll see you when I see y'all, jits.